Hi everybody. Today it's a cooking challenge. We're making cupcakes. Now, I would like you to try and make these cupcakes with me following this video as we go. You can talk about the results in the comments, and this is going to be fun. Let's get to it. First things first, you have to preheat your oven to 176 degrees centigrade. That's good. Second step, you're going to get a pan to put cupcakes in. You can either put little papers in if you have them, like this, or if it's a silicone mold, you can just grease this with butter, like this. So I'm getting a paper towel so I can dip it in the butter and spread it all over, right? Here I have some butter. The main idea is that by greasing it, the cupcakes won't stick, okay? And they'll come out very easily out of the molds. Good, finished. Okay, now ready for the third step. You're gonna get a big bowl and you're going to put all the dry ingredients that I'm gonna show you right here. Okay, the first ingredient is flour. You're going to use 1 cup and 1/3. Perfect. Baking powder. Here you have your measuring spoon. You're gonna need 1 teaspoon. So the teaspoon here is this, 1 teaspoon. And 1/4, which would be this little one. Let's go a little crazy. Great, next step is, that's it. These are our dry ingredients. Okay, the next step is to get this, put it aside, and now we are going to make the soft ingredients of our dough. So we're gonna get another bowl, and we're gonna get 1/2 cup of soft butter. To make it soft, you're gonna have to melt it a little bit in the microwave, okay? I'm guessing it's gonna be like this amount. Oh, even a bit too much. Okay, we're gonna let that in there. And now we are going to soften it in the microwave for maybe like 10-20 seconds. Okay, can you see? I heated it up and now it's a bit softer. The next thing we're going to add to this mixture is 1 cup of sugar. I'm using this organic good product. You can also use white sugar and that's fine. Now we're gonna have to be mixing this with one of those little machines that I'm not sure what they're called, but it has like 2 little thingies that go and it's perfect. So let me get that ready. This is the machine I'm talking to you about, okay? We're gonna use it to mix and make sure it's light and fluffy. Okay, now the next thing we're adding to this, we're going to add eggs 1 by 1. Now remember, we need 2 eggs. Make sure you don't get any shell in there. 1. Keep mixing. And 2. Oops. This texture is beautiful. Now we're going to add in vanilla because our cupcakes are vanilla. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. 1 and 2. It's the main flavor, you guys. Check out this lovely texture. Okay, now the next thing we have to add, sour cream, which I'm just gonna add a Greek yogurt. Oh look, I think it might be the whole yogurt. Yeah, it's the whole yogurt, guys. And we mix. Now it's become a little bit grainier, if you can see, because the sugar is still in there, okay? So we're gonna have to make sure the sugar dissolves. Right. Okay, now our dry ingredients are here, remember, and now we're gonna add them in little by little. Okay, and now it's time to bake. Guys, are you okay up till here? Good. Now, the next step is to place them on our little trays or molds. And you're going to need a little spoon and, well, I'm using this sort of like butter knife, but you can use anything or 2 spoons to sort of get it out of the batter, get the batter out, right? It looks great. And it smells and tastes delicious. Right, here we go. Beautiful. 2 spoonfuls in each. And I might need more because this is a ton of batter. Okay guys, now one trick I want to share with you. When you're baking and you have little bits of pieces left that it's hard to scrape out with the spoon, the best thing to use in these cases is a spatula. There are some rubber spatulas that work fantastic. I'm gonna grab one and show you it. Oh, look, it matches. I didn't even realize. So we're gonna get our bowl. We're gonna scrape properly. See, look how well it collects everything. You can always use this to make sure we're using up all the batter we made. Okay, we don't wanna waste anything. Sweet, finished. This step is done. Now, the next step is to put them in the oven. So check it out. Remember, we have it heated up on 175 so that the heating is perfect. Let me grab the cupcakes. Here I have my mold, placing it on the counter. Oh, but ooh, the heat. Now I'm going to place this inside very carefully. Don't burn your hand. Now, normally, the thing to do would be use a glove or a mitt. Pull the tray out and place these things, but, well, here's me just chilling. All right, now, guys, another very important thing while you're cooking is to clean up after yourself. Every time you use a utensil, a spoon, a bowl, anything, you have to clear that out, wash it until you have always a clean counter, okay? So far, so good. Okay, guys, while the cupcakes are baking, now I'm going to teach you how to make frosting. Have you ever heard of frosting? It's like the sugar base on top of cakes, cupcakes, etc. It's very easy. We just need these ingredients and let's get to it. So first, we are going to cut, again, half of a cup, okay, of butter. Now I'm going to put it in this bowl so I can soften it in the microwave for 10 seconds or so, because later I'm going to mix everything in this bowl, but it's aluminum and metal shouldn't go in the microwave, as you know. Half a cup. Perfect. As you can see, I heated it up and it is soft now. The next thing we're going to need is 1 cup of powdered sugar. Okay, it's sugar but in powder. We're gonna sift it, which makes it more soft and smooth, okay? Oh dear, it's taking forever. Okay, fine, that's good. Now we're gonna sift it. Are you ready? Well, it's fun to pour it like this. And then it's like snow. You're gonna be like, see the snow falling? Can you see? Now, if you notice, on the sieve, we have little balls that have formed. See? See the little balls? Those are what we don't want in our mixture. Good. Now, it's time to use our mixer machine. Wow, look at this. Look how it became now, okay? And the next thing to add, vanilla extract, okay? We're gonna use half a teaspoon. And then we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of milk. Now what we're gonna do to make sure we're getting everything, we're going to scrape the sides to make sure we have all the frosting. Ooh, look at this. Perfect. This will go on the top of our cupcakes to decorate, okay? Don't forget to get the ingredients off of here too. Okay, scrape them off. Guys, I'm getting out the cupcakes of the oven. Check it out. And let them cool down for maybe 5 minutes or so. Don't eat them yet. Also, another way to check if they're really well made is by getting a toothpick, and you stick it in the middle, and it has to come out clean. Oops, there it is. Okay, that shows you that the cupcake is ready. It turns out I tried getting them out of the mold too quickly. They stuck. So remember, you always have to wait for it to get very cold, and make sure you butter those molds. Also, if not, you can just use papers. That would have solved everything. But here I have 6 that I'm going to decorate so you can see how it looks.